Let's start with alphabets or los alfabetos in Spanish before conjugation or vocabulary or grammatica. First, los alfabetos son A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, S, T, O, V, W, X, Y, Z. So those are the alphabets in Spanish. So we will have to start first with the alphabets before vocabulary and